All right, hey everybody, welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for hanging out. Today I got this in the mail. So I got a whole case of Outsiders, 4 booster boxes that we're going to crack into today. And this is going to represent 4 box openings on the channel. So we're going to open one box at a time, see what we can get, a bit of an update at the end, all that kind of stuff. And I've really tried to dial in my booster box video technique on the channel recently. So I've been trying to edit the videos, the booster box opening specifically, in a way that I like to watch the booster box openings. So I've tried to keep commentary at a minimum, just having the music in the background, sort of a chill box opening experience. So I'm going to really try and dial that technique in with these box openings. I might even play around with no commentary, just have some chill music, really low-key vibe, and get into these boxes. So we're going to play around with that. On that note, I would really appreciate some feedback. So please let me know what you guys like to see in box opening videos. Do you like the pack sounds? Like with the paper packs is pretty satisfying. So do you want like a pack opening ASMR sort of vibe? Do you like commentary? Do you prefer little to no commentary? Do you like the prices up on the screen? All that kind of stuff. So let me know what you like to see in a box opening, and I will try to tailor my videos to those preferences moving forward. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to be doing some giveaways associated with these box openings as well. So in a couple weeks, maybe 2, 3, 4, maybe just at the end of this, 4-part series, I'm going to be choosing some comments from these box openings for the giveaways. So I'm going to be getting back to doing some alters like I kind of explained before in my previous video. And I'm going to be doing some custom shadow box alters of the new Outsiders heroes. So if you want to get in on those giveaways, please like, comment, subscribe. Today, comment about your preferences when it comes to box openings. But yeah, thanks so much everybody for watching. We're going to get into this case in just a second. And I hope you guys enjoy. We'll check in at the end, okay? Cheers. All right, here we go. Cracking into box 1 of 4. All right, not too bad of a box. So we were off to a great start there with the legendary within the first few packs. Full of pack dust here. Trench of Sunken Treasure hasn't quite found its place in the meta yet. I don't think it's a bad card. We will see what it does. I'm happy to pull it anyways. Very nice L pretty early on in the box. We didn't get a cold foil though, unless I missed something, but I don't think we got a cold foil in the box. We got our regular 5 Majestics plus 1 foil Majestic, another huge hit. Got one of the codexes. Inertia, not quite the one we want. Frailty is hot right now. Very great card. Piece of rainbow foil equipment, which I'm also always down for. Rainbow foil, visit the floating dojo. Premeditate was the other big hit. This is a huge hit. This is turning out to be probably the Majestic for the set, playable in most every deck. Very good in some decks, so very happy to see that. That's a great hit. Between the two, the Legendary and Premeditate, we're in good shape, so no complaints here. Melting Point is a great card as well. In Archer, obviously. Down and Dirty, fun stuff. So 6 Majestics total, one of them Rainbow Foil. Early Legendary, no Cold Foil, which is a little disappointing, but not too much to complain about in this box. So that's box 1 for us. I don't know if I decided to do totals or anything like that, but you'll probably see totals pop up here at some point. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. A little bit of a different format there without the commentary. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know. Give me some feedback on the box openings overall. What would you like to see as a box opening format moving forward? But anyways, I had a lot of fun. We'll see you very soon as we break into box number 2 of this case, okay? Cheers, everybody.